This is another batch of recent additions. They're settling in here kind of in quarantine. These are midget white turkeys. They're listed with the American Livestock Breeds Conservancy as a critically endangered breed of turkey that are also taste tested, as it will, as one of the best tasting turkeys. That was a test of several breeds and a Butterball trademark turkey that was prepared and presented to chefs and food experts, and they ranked these guys at the top. This is a Foundation flock that we purchased recently. We're using some modified dog carriers here to give them places to get in and kind of adapt to the new place and everything. We've moved them a couple times on the place here to kind of give them a little bit different scenery and seeing things, but just another day in the life of a turkey.